When listening for bowel sounds, you're going to split the abdomen into 4 sections. You have your upper right, your upper left, your lower left, and your lower right. Each quadrant you should listen to for approximately 1 minute. You're listening for the normal sound, which is caused by air, fluid, or food moving through the gastrointestinal tract during digestion. The sound should be a hollow, gurgling noise similar to the sound of water moving through pipes. You should hear approximately every 5 to 15 seconds. The abnormal noises that you're listening for, the unusually loud or lack of noise lasting longer than 30 seconds may indicate an underlying condition. The patient should then be referred to for further testing.